Hey guys, welcome back. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are well. If you're coming across my platform for the first time, I am Gladon here. I do fashion, beauty, lifestyle content. So today is a pampering routine sort of video because lately I have been going through a lot. The level of anxiety is just amazing. So I thought I'm just going to wind down at home today. So I'm just making prep for a flavored water. So I'm just using a fizzy water there with my oranges, cucumber and lemon. So here I'm just going to make a little platter that I'm going to use in my bath. Like honestly, I am just trying to just enjoy my bath today, like just treat myself as if I am in a spa, but I am doing my spa at home. I've put a lot of effort setting up and things like that. I thought I am going to just enjoy every single bit. I actually got this chocolate for Christmas present. A friend gave it to me. It's a really good selection and I love this bread, and a friend bought this bread for me too. It's a flat bread from Mark and Spencer. It's crunchy. When I say it's crunchy, it's crunchy. So starting the prep for my bath routine, what I am doing here, I'm just taking my Clinic bath soap. It's almost finished. I need to buy another one, so I'm just like washing my face. So I'm going to use my brush to really deep clean my face because I have not even used this brush for like 2 weeks now. So because we've been doing homeschooling, I've been looking after 2 kids at home, trying to fit everything in. It's not easy with the lockdown. Sometimes you do just forget yourself like that. So in a minute I'm going to use my face scrub to scrub my face. Can I just say I will try to link as much things down in the description box just in case you want to get hold of anything. I really love this scrub because it's full of it has matcha in it. It's really good. The smell is absolutely divine. Look at the way I'm just scrubbing, just like really massaging it in. I thought it was really good scrub. I think I still have a code to that scrub. I'll leave it down. I'll leave it for 5 minutes, and yeah. So for my face mask today, I am using a new product. So this is the Gleamin clay face mask. This mask is amazing. I haven't used it before, as you can see. I'm just going to unbox it and start putting it on my face. But before I do that, let me just talk about it a little bit because they kindly sent me this face mask. Thank you so much, Gleamin, for doing this for me. So what is Gleamin, for example? This is Gleamin Vitamin C clay mask. Vitamin C, that's the key word here, and it helps to fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation. It also helps soften the texture of your skin. The clay mask has natural certified organic ingredients such as aloe vera and turmeric. As you can see, it's very rich because of this turmeric in it. It really does brighten the face. So that helps with evening the skin tone for a more radiant glow. I actually put a bit in my back of my palm and it did not stain, which is good. And it said it did not stain, it's stain free. It only takes, here we go. It's very easy to spread, as you can see, so easy to spread, and it's good for all skin types, they wrote. So all the information is in the pack, so you could just have a little read. So when I was spreading it on my face just to be sure if it's going to be sticky or it's going to be tacky, there was nothing like that. It just spread so nicely. So I'm really happy with the way it spread. I love the smell. The smell of this face mask was really good. So yeah, you could see me sniffing it there. It's really good. It takes like 10 minutes. They say leave it for 10 minutes, but on this day I just left it for a long time because I thought I'm going to sit with it on the bath. So this is me just like switching on my tap, just like trying to fill my bath and just getting the temperature of the water. Really, like, I really want it to be hot because I want to be there for hot in terms of comfortable hot. No, yeah, I just want to be in that bath for a long time, sis. We deserve it. So this is my bubble bath. I just bought that bubble bath from TK Maxx. Oh my god, the smell is divine, and I did put like half a bottle of the bubble bath because I really want it to be foamy. So that was a good smell. Yeah, so I'm going to be using Epsom salt rather. You know, salt is very antibacterial and things like that, so I just put a little bit of salt in the water. Oh my god, that bomb bath, I got it from Lush. So good, honestly. The smell, and it has some sparkles in it, which I really like. So voila, I am in the bath. So I just had a little relaxation. So I am just about to put on my phone is there because I love my bath tray. It's amazing. You could put your phone there, you could put your tablet in there. There's holder for it, there's holder for your drink, there's a little slot that you put your drink, there's a place you put your glass, your soap. Is amazing. So at this point I'm just getting myself comfortable because it's meditation time. So I just sat there to meditate a little bit, and I did for 20 good minutes. It felt so good. So I usually use Calm, an app called Calm, to meditate. It's amazing. Or sometimes I use YouTube too. YouTube one is quite nice, you know, I really do like it. So I am just treating myself to my treat that I did earlier on, and watching Netflix, catching up on some series, and I'm just laughing. It's so good. That flat bread was absolutely yummy, so delicious. If you live in the UK, I would certainly say, you know what, give it a go, try it. And I love my flavor water. So I'm just having more rest, just watching my Netflix away, just really relaxing. So at this point, because I've been in the water now for like, I don't know, like 40 minutes or so, I'm going to start scrubbing myself because now my skin, they all soften. So this body scrub I got from TK Maxx, it had some hemp seed in it. So this is the first time I've used such a scrub, but it's so good. The smell of that scrub was amazing. So here I am, just honestly just like taking all the dead skin off, just really scrubbing myself really deeply. Amazing. The water, I tell you what guys, in this room at the end with the candles, with all like the bath bomb, with everything, the room, my bedroom was smelling like spa. You could see actually the scrub was so good. Do you see how oily it is? And you could see the India, is it India M or something like that? There's some M seed in it with salt. Absolutely fantastic scrub. So yeah, if I could find it, I will link it for you guys to have a try. So here I am just washing up my Gleamin face mask. Oh my god, my face was so soft at the end. Try this mask out, it's amazing. My face was so soft, and the great thing here is like I was just hydrating myself because of the steam in the room. Sometimes you get a bit hot. It's amazing. Now I finished the Pamper routine, I'm out. So I'm just about to let the water run out. It was actually still warm water, to be fair. It was absolutely warm. So I'm going to do my facials. Look at my face after using that face mask, and the face mask was so good, really brightened the skin because of the turmeric that is in there. Is amazing. So here I am just putting in my vitamin E oil, and I'm just massaging it with my roller just to kind of circulate the blood and really plump out all the wrinkles that is on the face. So I love this. So very soon I'm going to do a facials at home, like new edition, because yeah, I bought myself a face steamer, so I'm really happy with that. Look at the way I was massaging my face here. at that point I felt so relaxed just even doing it. I did it for a long time. It's incredible. So I just put on my eye cream. So I use Eucerin. If you'll be watching my video, I use Eucerin product for my skincare. I really love it. I have dry skin and it has really helped my skin enormously. I cannot even complain at all. So here I'm just putting on my night cream. I didn't really want to put a lot of products, so I just wanted to keep it simple because I've scrubbed, I've used the face mask, Gleamin face mask, which I really adore. So here vitamin E, and it's amazing. So that was my body cream. It's Eucerin body cream too. Is great for dry skin. If you have dry skin, I will link everything. Check it out. Amazing. So I did my deodorant. Here I'm just sadly switching off all the candles. I am just switching off all the candles for another day. So there's a candle that really, there's this candle here, is amazing. You switch it on, you see the light that is in the, you see the light comes off. When you switch it off, it goes back, and you could see the seed from the scrub that I used, the seed from the M. Is it Indian M also? You could see the seed. It's amazing. It's incredible. Yeah, so that's the end of the video. I hope you guys honestly enjoy watching. I really do appreciate you guys for watching. If you like this kind of video, you like fashion, please do not hesitate to subscribe. I feel amazing at this point. Look at my face, is glowing. I am relaxed. I'm going to have a good sleep. That's one thing I could tell you for certain. Bye.